everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday face, a flawless face that I do every single day without having to pile on makeup. And yes, this is done in 10 minutes or less. So y'all, let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you what I do. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I use my Fenty Beauty as my primer. Second, I use an oval brush. I love those things. And then next, I also use the Estee Lauder in the Saddlewood. Of course, love that color suppressed powder. And then next, I'm going to show you all the IT Cosmetics. It's the CC SPF 50 Tinted Moisturizing Foundation. A little bit of lipstick. That's all you need. Get your favorite lipstick and a little bit of lip gloss. And of course, one of my favorite eyeliners by Revlon, Color Stay. I love this. This is an onyx black or whatever you want to call it. And so first off, what I'm going to do is definitely prime my face. Now, before I did all of this, you guys, I had actually washed my face, prepped it, of course, moisturized it. You know to do. Do what you got to do. You know with that. And so I'm just going to rub that into my face really, really good. And you don't have to use as much as I use. I think I use too much just because I put it on my face the way that I normally don't put it on my face. I usually just put like a dollop on the back of my hand and then take a little bits and put it on my face and rub it in. So the primer is simply just going to help the makeup stay. So in this IT Cosmetic, as you can see, I use two different kinds. I use the Rich Honey, and I use this color more like in the fall and winter time because I'm lighter. And then in the summer, I actually use another color called Deep. So I do buy two of these, and I love these. I love these a lot because the reason why I love the IT Cosmetic, and you know they don't make a lot of colors for us black women anyway. But I just happen to look up and get something close to my complexion. But I like this because I can wear this in the winter time and my face isn't dry. And I also like to wear this in the summertime because it doesn't make my face oily either. And I know with some CC creams or whatever, it can do that. But this is very hydrating. It is a tinted foundation moisturizer. And this is typically what I use every single day. And I'm just going to I made a mess on my hand. So I'm just going to use my oval makeup brush. And you can get these anywhere. I probably got these from off of Amazon, eBay, not eBay. I got them from somewhere, but I think I may have gotten them from Amazon. And I got like a whole slew of these things. So I got little bitty ones that are oval up until big ones. And that's the foundation one because it really gives you that full coverage that you need. And it smooths it on very lightly. You're not smoothing it on to the point to where you're being hard on your face. And I like the way that it feels on my face. And I remember when these things were so popular. And I don't know if people are still using them now. But I definitely use them and I like them. But I do have other foundation brushes that I do use as well. And I also use a sponge brush, a sponge as well to put on my makeup. But today, I just thought that I would go ahead and smooth this on to get this on my face really good. So, once you get this on, you can see it's a tad bit lighter on my face. But it will oxidize, you know. It will oxidize itself. So, when I typically put this on, I let it oxidize just for a little bit before I put on anything else. And I'm just sitting here making sure that everything is fully covered. And yes, I am putting on my makeup right before it is time for me to go out the door for work. So I wanted to show you guys that yes, this does not have to take long to put on your makeup. And the environment that I work in anyway, I'm just interacting with my coworkers. I'm not face to face with any other people outside other than my coworkers because I do work in the IT industry. But you just want to go to work looking, half decent. So that's typically what I do when it comes putting on my makeup. The other brushes I like to use is can't think of the names, but I will put it here somewhere. But this really does get your face really, really smooth and very easy, you know, for any beginner. Those who aren't beginners can use this as well. So next, while that's going to oxidize on my face, I got my little eyebrow brush, and I just like to brush these out. Now, in this, I am not going to do my eyebrows. No, I do not do that during the week. Maybe when I'm trying to get beat for something, a special event. But this, like I said, y'all, I wanted to keep this very simple. A sister don't have time to be doing all that in the morning, okay? We don't got time for that. I got to get up, get out of here, get my kids to school, and everything. So next, I'm going to go ahead and just put that eyeliner on. I love the Color Stay eyeliner because I'm telling you what, Color Stay eyeliner from Revlon, it does not go anywhere. That thing stays put, and sometimes when nighttime, when I need to take this stuff off my face, I really got to take it off my face. But that eyeliner don't want to go nowhere, y'all. And they do have angled ones. They have had angled ones, which I do have an angled one, which I absolutely love. But they don't sell that in the store anymore. And I absolutely hate the fact that, and maybe they do sell it somewhere, but they don't sell it at Ulta anymore. And I love my angle brush, but we'll just go with that because you can buy that anywhere, Ulta, and I see those in the store all the time. So, the next thing I'm going to do is put on my Estee Lauder Sandalwood, and I just take a little bit of my fluffy brush, you know, powder brush, and I put this on my face. Now, I do this because the Sandalwood pressed powder pretty much gives me a little bit more warmth in my face. You know, I didn't want to look that lighter shade of the corrective tinted moisturizer, and this just gives me that extra warmth in my face that I'm looking to achieve. And that is pretty much it, y'all. That is so simple, you know. 1, 2, 3 out the door, and here we go. And then last, and that's the very last, I'm just gonna put on any shade of lipstick, your favorite, and I forgot who that's by. I even have to go back and look, but it's probably some cheap lipstick that I probably done bought. But I do love the color, and a little bit of lip gloss. I love lip gloss. I don't know about you. If you love lip gloss, comment below. But I absolutely do love lip gloss because it makes my face, not my face, I'm sorry. It makes my lips not feel so dry. But you don't have to do that. That's just optional, but that's just something that I do. And last but not least, I also put on my Maybelline Lasting Fix spray. Now, sometimes I like to put this spray on after I put on my IT Cosmetics CC Tinted Moisturizer. But for the sake of this video, I just went on here and put it on after my pressed powder. Now, I really don't like that Fix Plus spray that much. I like Urban Decay, but I didn't have any. And, you know, girl on a budget, so I just had to get what I had to get. And this part of it is optional if you want to do this. Sometimes I do this and sometimes I don't do this. I put on some mascara. And this is all I pretty much do to my routine, you guys. I don't do anything else. Like I said, I like to keep my makeup routine sweet and simple. As you can see, I don't have on any eyeshadow or anything. I didn't do any contouring. And you don't have to do that every day. You really don't. So if you like my video, I want you guys to go ahead, comment, and subscribe and rate below. Thank you for watching my video. And as you can see, that look, a simple, flawless face, sweet and simple. And anybody can do this. You all can do this. Beginners can do this. And if you are a beginner, that's the reason why I made this video. If you don't like to wear a lot of makeup, that's the reason why I made this video. Thank you, guys. Go ahead, rate, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you all and see you all in my next video.